So I have to get ready real quick. We have a very important retreat today at work. So I'm trying to look cute. That's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna do a quick get ready with me and then we head out. Same old, but I think I'm gonna reach there on time, so I'm not really worried about that. Yeah, morning. I hope you guys are having a great morning so far. I am excited to go on this retreat because it helps the planning for the organization moving forward, all the operations, all the strategy, all the policies, everything in between. And yeah, we sit down for 2 days and we plan it out. So I'm pretty excited for what is going to be presented today. I think I'm gonna record most of the morning snippets from the retreat, but not a lot. Yeah, I'm not gonna really record the obvious moments that are quite private, but I will try to get most of my day and into the evening. So guys, catch you soon. I'm driving in traffic. I don't want to be late, but I don't think I'm going to be late considering. Stay tuned. It was really good, I'm not even gonna lie, but I'm so tired, so I'm gonna go home and do a little self-care, tender loving care. I need it. Okay guys, catch you soon. Two of these, this, because I'm gonna use it tonight. I got this, and I got this. So your girl is all about TLC tonight. Use your Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull a drop tops out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low. But I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Wow, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it. You can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared for it. Instead of love out loud, since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, meet me. Timing's right, so right. Our romance to be can't deny. I love the things we do when it's just us two. But tonight, baby, meet me outside. Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. I'm a good catch, but I never let him catch me. No, I never let him claim me. Wild thing try to tame me, but you got my mood on sunshine. Let's take a trip, souls on big smile. Let's get this flick, stars are in line. I'm posted, lay with me in the moonlight. I wanna be bold with it.
Protecting my peace for so long, a little too good, now I'm solo. Watching reruns of the same shows. Almost everybody I'm a no-show. Even with green lights I don't go. Never been sure, no I don't know. How does everybody else let go of their ego? Don't go out nearly as much as I should. Barely know the